Hey friends, if you encounter this error, your hardware settings have changed, please reboot your computer. Then please watch this video. Now, obviously, rebooting is the solution to this, but here's what you can start with. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and then go to Device Manager. In Device Manager, you can click on Action. Select the specific drivers, Action, and scan for hardware changes. Then you can right click on the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart. If this helps, well and good. If this does not help, then we will figure out the root cause, and for that, search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Click on Choose a different restore point. Click on Next. Choose a good restore point. Next, and then Finish, and then Yes, and let it recover. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.